Alright guys, transit day. Bag here, bag here. Bag on the back, like a packed mule. Let's carry on. Let's carry on. Bag of shopping, sir. I have a bag of shopping. And a suitcase. Or carry on. Please, 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 please. Alright. Living the dream. Living the dream. And heading to Krabi for 10 days. And then over to Bonchon, where everyone's at. Leaving behind some stuff. Have to leave behind that. Some things over there. Don't forget my hat. Alright. 7:30 in the morning, you guys. I've got a airport transfer booked for this morning. Airport's probably about half an hour to 45-minute drive from here, and my flight leaves at 9:45. All right, bye. Bye, bye, bye. I'm on the plane, but yeah, I got the middle seat, which means I'm likely to be sitting next to anyone on both sides. And then I have to have the whole who gets the armrest with. Fingers crossed for me, no one else is sitting. Because I wouldn't mind just having it all myself. Bit of chill. I was thinking on some chips before we started recording. No. See you, bye. Bye. I'm in Bangkok airport. I'm at some place called Bonchon. Bonchon chicken. I got chicken and rice and a kimchi soup. I asked them what this was. They're not giving me this, so it's supposed to be in the soup or in chicken. Probably tip that in the soup. Take some right. Carrot, onion. That's kimchi. Yeet out of here. And chicken and breast piece is the black. A couple hours to my next flight, so bedtime still. It's not easy. I'm just sitting here waiting for my food to come out. It's chick's running along, obviously trying to get to the gate in time. And she stacked it. She hit the ground real hard. No one flinched. Airport's brutal. People are assholes in airports. Because if that happened down on the street, I'd like to think that someone would have stopped to help her and pick her up. I'm surprised they don't even do that in airports. I would like to tell you how much I paid for this, but I have no fucking idea. Because I haven't figured out the conversion yet. Put it on my card, so I know I've paid $3.50 fee on that. Soft tofu kimchi. Kimchi's supposed to be spicy, but I don't find this one spicy. Chunks of things like soft tofu, there's some gnocchi mushroom, more cabbage, and there is a soft boiled egg in there, but it's disappeared into the soup. And then, it's alright. But I mean, is it fantastic? It's alright. This chicken's better. That's on par, if not better than KFC chicken. And it's not greasy as anything. It's nice. $495 Thai and 495 Thai for my Bonchon chicken set. Someone commented on my Ramley Burger video that they liked it when I just, well, they said when I got silent towards the end and just enjoyed it. I don't know if that meant to shut up and eat. But this isn't a quiet location, so this can't be ASL. Like, I'm doing it in my hotel next time. I'll do a quiet one where I don't talk. But yeah, there's background noise, so I get to talk now. So Bangkok airport, no one's asked me for my status yet. I've cleared customs. No, not. I've cleared some sort of fly through custom. So I've got another flight book to Krabi. So I've gone from the international arrival terminal on a quick loop through to the domestic terminal. Yeah, actually, the more I eat that, the less I'm a fan. I do like these little pickled radish things. I think it's radish. They're good. But I'll tip them all in there, so... pretty much done with that last bit of chicken. Now I'm gonna cut this video. Well, is that too big? I don't know what inside is like around here. We'll see then. I've got 2 weeks. Fucking face masks. And that one, face mask. My that's gone. I'm sweating so much in sunglasses. Really shame. That's pretty much hit the spot. I got a 3-hour wait for the next flight. And then an hour and a half to Krabi airport hotel. There for 10 days. This place, I got myself a little room upgrade. I'm not in the standard room, I've gone up a suite, I think. And it even included breakfast. I don't have to worry about feeding myself once a day. This place has a gym, pool. Yeah, you need. I think it's close to the beach too. Laughing. Bonchon's in a few places. First I've ever heard of it. New York, Seoul, Los Angeles, Jakarta, Singapore, Beijing, Bangkok, Manila, San Francisco, and Boston. Bonchon chicken. Huh. Well, there you go. An Aussie has tried Bonchon, and I agree, the chicken is the bomb. Or the Bonchon. But you can keep your kimchi soup. It's not an Aussie thing. It's just sour cabbage. Rather than coleslaw. If you know what that is. Oh, I gotta eat sauerkraut. It's like pickle shit. Alright. Get that on your face. Nothing else to say because we finished eating. Alright. I'll give you an update later. Arapa. Siba. Bye.
CD DVD VCD เครื่องรับวิทยุและโทรทัศน์ อุปกรณ์โทรทัศน์ หรืออุปกรณ์ไฟฟ้า และอุปกรณ์อิเล็กทรอนิกส์ซึ่งใช้แบตเตอรี่ และขอเรียนให้ท่านทราบว่า
Well, I've finally landed in the hotel room. Krabi. Right. Would you like to see? A place to store some things. A room. A little tea and coffee set up. Table, which I've got all my crap out already. There's a lounge. Another sort of thing that I can drag out to the balcony. Pretty big balcony, but it's not separate from the others. It goes around here. But yeah, as you can see there's no separation but those garden beds. So security wise, balcony door locked permanently, and the bed. I mean, it's a massive space. Pretty comfortable. Did I show you the bathroom? Got my shower shoes out already. One bog roll, man, I'll chew through that in one turn. And yeah, shower space. So it's alright. It's alright for the next few days or however long I'm here.